Hello students, myself Mamta Tyagi, PGT English, your English teacher. So today we are here to read about the very important topic of English grammar, that is tenses. As we cannot do our work properly without the help of our hands, in the same way, we cannot learn the English language without the proper use of the tenses. So, as we are describing here again and again the word tense. So, what is the meaning of the tense and from where this word have been derived? Let's discuss about this and read about the introduction of the tenses. So, the word tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event, or condition by changing its form. So, simply or briefly, we can say tenses means the time of an action. Tense tells us about the timing of the action when it is being performed. Now, let's move to the other slide. On the basis of the time, we can categorize the tenses in three types. First one, present tense, second, past tense, and third one, future tense. Present tense means the action which is performed now. Past tense means the work or the action which is already performed in the past. It means which is been passed away. And future tense means the action or the work which we will perform in the future or later on. Now, let's read the definition of the present tense. Present tense expresses an unchanging, repeated, or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. Widespread truth means the universal truth. Suppose the sun rises in the east. So this is the universal truth. We all knows about it properly in the same way. Another one, past tense. Past tense expresses an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. And future tense. Future tense expresses an action or situation that will occur in the future. Now, on the basis of the aspect, we can also subcategorize all these three tenses in their different four kinds. Verb tenses may also be categorized according to aspect. So, what is the aspect? Aspect refers to the nature of the action described by the verb. There are four aspects, or we can say there are four kinds of tenses. Indefinite or the simple tense, continuous or progressive tense, perfect or complete tense, and last one, perfect continuous tense. Now, let's read about the definition of the indefinite tense. So, indefinite tense also we will read in all the three types of tenses, that is present indefinite, past indefinite, or future indefinite. Indefinite is also known as the simple tense. So, the three indefinite tenses or simple tenses describes an action but do not state whether the action is finished. Your next second kind is continuous tense. The three continuous tenses are also there in the same way. So, the three continuous tenses or incomplete tenses or progressive tenses described an unfinished action. It means the action is still continuous, still in the progressive manner. Perfect tense. The three complete tenses or the perfect tenses describes a finished action. Perfect, as you are seeing here, that the word is being written perfect. It means the action is being performed perfectly. It means it's been completed. So perfect tense means complete tenses. Now let's move to the fourth one, fourth kind of tense, that is the perfect continuous tense. This tense also we will read in all the three types of tenses. So to combine the complete tenses and the incomplete tenses to describe an action which was in progress and then finished. So in simple words we can say, in perfect continuous tense we will discuss or learn or read about the action which was already been started to perform earlier and still remain continuous now also. It means it's been started earlier and still been in progressive manner. Now let's read these things thoroughly here in a categorized way. So here we are having the topic tense, and tenses are of three types, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. So all these three tenses we read in four different kinds. Like first present tense is to be read or learn in four different kinds, that is present indefinite or the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, we will read our past tense also in four different kinds. Past indefinite, simple past, past continuous, past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense. Our third type, that is the future tense, is also read in four different kinds. That is future indefinite, or we can say the simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So here we can see easily that we are having the three types of tenses, and all three types of tenses we read in four different kinds. Here with the help of this chart you can easily see the rules of the tenses. As I have already told you that we always learn our tenses in three types and four different kinds. So every tense, every type of tense we will read in four kinds of tenses. So how we have to convert the sentence, with the help of which rule, to know about that we can read this chart properly. With the help of this chart we can easily read the tenses properly. Now present tense in simple form, or we can say the indefinite tense. Here this is the formation of our sentences, that firstly we have to put subject plus verb first form plus ses. Then in progressive form, or we can say the continuous form, we will form our sentence in this way, that subject plus is-am-are plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus complement. Now in third kind we will read the same present tense, or we can say the present perfect form, that is subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object plus complement. And fourth kind of present tense is also having the rule, that is subject plus has have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus since for and then time. Now, in the same way, we can easily read the past tense also. For simple past tense, we are having the rule subject plus verb second form plus object. For progressive or the continuous tense, we have subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing plus object in complement. Then third type also, that is past perfect form, subject plus had plus verb third form plus object plus complement. And next, last one, that is the past perfect progressive or past perfect continuous. Both the things are same, don't be confused here. So it has the rule that is subject plus had been plus verb first form plus ing plus since for plus time. Next, third type of tense, that is the future tense. So future, or we can say the simple future or future indefinite tense, subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object. For progressive form of future, or we can say the future continuous tense, subject plus will be plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. Then future perfect tense or future perfect form, subject plus will have plus verb third form plus object plus complement. And last, that is the future perfect progressive, or we can say future perfect continuous tense, subject plus will have, been plus verb first form plus plus ing plus since for and plus time. So in this way, with the help of this rule chart, we can easily learn about the rules of the all three types and four kinds of sentences of each three types. So in next video, we will read about the present tense properly. So I hope you understand the topic tenses, and for the further learning we will go through the next video. I hope you like it. So thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.